Hi guys, welcome back to my humble workshop, and today you can send me congratulations on my first guitar that I've just finished during my project of old Soviet era guitars restoration. And now I'm going to run over some details. First of all, I'm going to show you what this guitar looked like before. It's cracked, it has different failures in its design, and what it looks like now. Even though there are some shortcomings, I'm proud of my work. And let's now quickly run through what I corrected in this guitar. The first thing is its head style. I changed it and made it look like these. I like this minimalistic style. I like its proportions. I put on a new set of tuning pegs that suits better than the old one for classical guitars, for nylon strings. The next thing is here. Look how our necks are adjusted to bodies in such guitars. It goes loose here, it's never straight, and I don't like the way it looks like. Here I glued the neck to the body, and it now looks more like normal classical guitar. The next thing, I removed of old frets. I planed the fretboard, removed these markers, and painted it black. Now it's smooth, nice looking, almost like ebony wood. The next thing is its bridge. It looked like this. Now it looks like traditional classical guitar bridge. Then, of course, I painted the guitar. I put new decoration on it, black binding, black rosette, this inlay decoration. I made new knot and a new saddle. Well, I removed this thing. It doesn't suit well a classical guitar. And the most interesting things that you cannot see are inside the guitar. I completely changed its bracing system, and now I expect this guitar to sound very well, but this is for later. Looking forward to listening to how this guitar may sound. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys, take care.